In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to group customers in Zoho Books. By the end of this session, you'll have a good handle on organizing your customer data efficiently, which will make tracking and analyzing your business information a breeze. So let's dive right in and get started. First, we're going to create reporting tags in Zoho Books. These tags are incredibly useful as they allow you to categorize your transactions and reports according to specific criteria that matter to your business. To begin, head over to the Settings section. This is represented by the gear icon, so go ahead and give that a click. Once you're in Settings, look for Reporting Tags under the Customization section. Got it? Great! Now it's time to add a new tag. Click on the plus New Tag button. It's like adding a new label to help identify and track different aspects of your customers. You'll want to name this tag. For instance, you might use Region if you're looking to group customers based on their location. Now you can input the options that fall under this tag. For our Region example, you might use options like North, South, East, and West. Do you have all your options entered? Fantastic! Go ahead and click Save to store your new tag. Next, we'll move on to assigning these tags to individual customers. This will help you categorize and manage your customer data effectively. Start by going to the Sales section, and from there, navigate to Customers. Here, you can decide whether to open an existing customer profile or create a new one by clicking on the plus New button. Once you have your customer's profile open, look for a tab or section called Reporting Tags. Found it? Perfect. This is where you'll be able to select the appropriate tags you've just created. If we're continuing with the Region example, you can select from those options like North or West according to where your customer is located. These tags will help you pull reports that are segmented and more meaningful for your business needs. And that's pretty much it. Don't forget to save any changes you make to ensure all your hard work is preserved. Grouping your customers with reporting tags is now complete, and with these categories, your reports will give you the insights you need to make informed business decisions. I hope you found this video helpful. Feel free to rewatch or pause the video if you need to go over a section again. Thank you for watching, and happy managing your customer accounts in Zoho Books.